Last day here in Arizona. I am leaving. I'm outside right now, as you can see. The pool is in back of me. I'm leaving right now to go be at Arizona Blogger, so I'm super excited. I am did a little green eye with the bright pink lipstick. I'm wearing a kind of a longer jacket today. It's not a blazer. It's kind of like a little coat. I didn't bring my blazer, so I'm wearing this little coat. It has like this really cool collar from H&M. I'm wearing this cotton on dress, and it was I bought it during Christmas time. I am wearing this H&M belt, and of course my Fancy Steps Mary Jane shoes that I posted yesterday, and my bracelets that I bought yesterday at H&M to kind of bling out my watch a little bit. I really like them. It has a little owl, flowers, and so forth. So I guess that's about it, ladies. I will post again when I am leaving. So when I'm at the Blogger restaurant. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.